birthday, Mi Band 3. Friends, I've got another training video. A little bit bittersweet for me because somehow, maybe it was playing hockey and the way I've treated mine. I also take it in the hot tub all the time. I do not get vibrations anymore from my Mi Band, so I'm looking to purchase another one. But before I go and buy another one, let me help you guys out with a video that people have been asking about. So a feature that has been requested or wanted double checked is on an iPhone, can I do Gmail, the app alerts? So check this out. When you click your Mi Band 3 on the profile button, you can simply go down to More, and look at that. There is an incoming email choice. With that selected, notice mine says on. If I go back to my desktop, you can see that I've got a Gmail account. And then if I go back into my app, just because, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to send a message on my desktop, and you guys will be able to see how it shows up on the device and on the Mi Band 3. Alright, so the Mi Band is just sitting here patiently waiting. I'm going to hit send on my computer. You'll hear the phone vibrate because remember, unfortunately, my Mi Band 3 is not vibrating. May even pop up a note showing us what the message is that I sent. It does take a second. There you can see, I just said howdy, and look at that, almost instantly it shows up on the Mi Band 3 as well. Gives a whole bunch of gibberish that the message was from me, and you may have seen the word Facebook. That is just because I've got a Facebook image at the bottom of my email where it's all tagged. If I slide to the left, you can see, check this out, that was the header, and then the rest is all just gibberish that goes along with the message. So it does tell you that a message has arrived, it does give you the top, it doesn't tell you what's in the message. I'm going to get to the clear screen, and I'm going to clear my warnings by just holding in the button. And I'm going to tell you, friends, thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please hit subscribe. If you want to leave a question or comment, leave it down below. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.